So basically, pneumonia is a lung infection which is caused by a microorganism which generally leads to difficulty in breathing. Now how is that possible? Usually when we inhale oxygen, it goes into the lungs and it diffuses into the alveoli. Alveoli is surrounded by capillary. This oxygen diffuses into the capillary through the alveoli walls and enters the bloodstream, and it gets supplied to different body cells. But what about the harmful microorganisms that enter in the trachea? Such are trapped by the cilia and are expelled while coughing. But what about the ones which are not trapped? They end up in the alveoli. They start to multiply, and in response to this, our body sends an inflammatory reaction against it. In an attempt to provide such kind of inflammatory response, there is an accumulation of fluid inside the alveoli, which kills all the microorganisms, however leads to accumulation of fluid, which makes it unable for the oxygen to diffuse out of the alveoli into the capillary wall, and thus the person has difficulty in breathing. The symptoms for pneumonia are fever, headache, the main one is chest pain, a severe chest pain, runny nose, cough, etc. Prevention can be done by preventing personal contact and also maintaining a balanced nutritionist diet. So I hope you take care of yourself. I wish you that you have the best of health. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and always keep learning. Thank you so much for joining me today once again, kids. In case if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe as well. Thank you so much. For more such educative videos, enroll now to Radiance Academy. Thank you so much. We shall meet again in the next